What up, guys? On today's video, we're going to do the first startup of this Predator 212, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're going to start by draining out the, make sure there ain't any packing oil or assembly oil left, and putting some, I'm just putting straight 30 weight. I put straight 30 weight in most small engines. So we're going to use my 1/4 inch Tekton set. If you haven't read already, go check out that giveaway video where I will be giving away a Tekton 1/4 inch set at 1,000 subscribers. Link will be down in the description. So we're gonna take this off. It'll be metric, probably around 10. Most of these Honda clone engines have that. Don't need something to catch oil. I'm using a butter thing. Got that torqued in pretty good. See if they got anything in there before I put fresh oil in there. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. See, a little bit in there, drain that out. And we'll probably run this a few hours, and then we'll probably put fresh oil back, we'll change the oil again. Forgot to grab a funnel, so I'll be right back. All right. Got the funnel. I don't know if I already mentioned this, but this engine will be going into the Unicorn Mobile. The Tecumseh runs, but I really didn't care for it too much. I like the way the throttle control is on the Predator 212. So for a kid's motor engine, I like it the way the throttle control is on this. So this is what we decided to go with. Like I said, guys, I'm just using straight 30. These engines usually don't take much oil anyway, believe it or not. Using a colder climate, you'd probably be running something else, but I run straight 30 year round here. Should do it. So let's hook this engine up, or mount this engine, and then we'll try the first start. So we got the engine mounted down, we got gas in it, so now it's time to test it, or try to start it. So let's make sure we got our fuel on. I don't want to run at full throttle with the break-in period, so what we're going to do is we'll probably run about half throttle. Then we're going to put it on start, which is your choke, and we'll full start it and see what it does. right, guys. So it runs. I'm gonna let it run for an hour or so, change the oil again, and then it'll be ready to mount on the go-kart Unicorn Mobile. We're about to tear the Unicorn Mobile back down again to paint it. We put it together for my niece's birthday, but now we want to go ahead and put it back together for the, or take it back apart, paint it, and sandblast and paint and stuff. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Later, guys.